The thing I like most about digital learning is the flexibility to really learn, whenever you have the time to, or wherever you have the time to as well. I found it easy to access all the materials online. There really wasn't any difference, with this transition into online learning because everything was still uploaded onto Moodle anyway. You had the flexibility to really study around your own schedule. Well, I guess the other most pleasant surprise would be how similar it is to actual online face-to-face classes as well. In terms of like the dialogue that you can have with your lecturers or tutors, it's very much the same information that is able to be, translated between the two people. UNSW has been releasing emails, every few days or every week, with updates on, COVID-19 and how they're approaching the situation. Aside from that, in terms of like the lecturers, they've always been very helpful with providing updates on, what UNSW is doing, and always offer to answer any email questions or Moodle questions that people have. Personally, obviously the big one is social media. So on Facebook, I'll be following all the clubs and societies that I'm a part of, just to keep up to date with their events and any information that they might post. And just Facebook Messenger as well, just to keep in touch with friends and family, and WhatsApp, and even Instagram as well. It's more about figuring out how you can stay motivated to attend classes and to keep up with your studies. And so just making sure that every week you're going to each class gets more about like getting into that routine and treating it like real life face-to-face classes. But yeah, I think it's more important to set that routine, which can help you.